Alright, so welcome to this video. My name is Matthew and I'll be showing you how you can install WordPress locally on your computer. Okay, so you'll be able to access WordPress without the internet. So basically, if you want to learn how to create websites or you want to learn how to use WordPress, but you're not into start getting a hosting, a domain name, and all of those things, you don't have money to pay in order to get access to it on the internet and start learning, you can actually use a local hosting. So I'm going to show you in this I'll make this video as short as possible, and it's really simple. There are different ways to actually install WordPress on your computer locally without using the internet and all of that. There's so many ways. I have a video, I'll put it in the description in case you want to try out the other ways, but this for me is the fastest and the coolest. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. So first of all, I'm going to put this link to the site in the description below. We're going to go to localwp.com. So once you get to their website, this is how it would look like. All right, so the next thing you want to do is just go to this download and click on it. Then it asks you to choose your platform. So I'm using the Windows, so I'm just going to do this. Then you just fill up these details, right? Fill up the details. You create um phone number is actually not compulsory, but if you wish to, you could actually add that there. So I'm just going to click here and get it now, and it'll prompt you to download. Okay, so you're going to be downloading it's 481 MB. That's about 500 MB. You could just go ahead to download it. Okay, so now I use downloading manager to download all of my big files in order to avoid data wastage. Most of the time, if you're downloading big files, one thing you get to notice is that sometimes you may begin a downloading process and discover that probably your internet um maybe you receive a call, or probably your internet got broken, or something just happened and your connection get cut off. Once you're using your Chrome download, what happened is most of the time you have to start again and it could be very painful. So I have also, if I'll put a video also in the description below on how to you can download, get your downloading manager and how to use it. All right, so I'm going to wait for this to download. Once we're done, we'll continue. All right, so if you notice, I've finished downloading it. All right, so after downloading is really simple. The next thing you need to do is to install. So you could double click on the download and the installation process will start. Let me just close all of this so it will start counting. All right, so the next thing you want to do is go through the installation process. All right, so she says select whether you wish to make this software available to all users or just yourself. So for me, I just want to use it for myself. So next, then you could actually choose where you want it to be installed in. So I just leave it like this and click on install. Then you wait for the installation process to just go. It's not going to take much time. All right, so after installing locally, we're going to click on finish. Then you can notice you could see the software here. Okay, so if we make wait enough, it's just going to pop up by itself. So just give it some time for it to open up. All right, so the next thing you need to do, you could just go through their terms and condition, but I'm just going to click on agree. And then we have it here. So the next thing is to create an account. Click on no thanks here, no thanks. Then you can create a new site. Um, just make sure you all come back to this place. So create a new site. So we're going to click on continue here. Then what do you want to call your site? So what name do you want to give to your site? So probably I want to call it Learn WordPress. to learn WordPress. All right. So you have your advanced option here, but for now, I just want you to go with this. Okay. So click on continue. So leave it on preferred. Okay, and click on continue. Now you could choose your username and password. So I just call it user. Then my password is okay. So you put your email address here. So make sure you put your email address here. All right. So add site, and this process will take a while. Okay, so I'm just going to speed up my own process and get to the end of it. So just make sure you wait and allow the system to generate all of it for you. Then once all of this show, make sure you click on allow access. All right, if you notice, you would have seen a pop-up that says WordPress added. Okay, so first, this is our site. Okay, and you've noticed we have WordPress on the site. So we have WP. We are so here you can open the site. So we just click on open admin. So first, always remember your password and your username. Okay, so it will help you give you access to the site. So let me disconnect the internet connection and let's go back here. So open it to take you to the back end of your WordPress site. Funny enough, you don't need internet to access this. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put user. Then I'm gonna put my password. Then click on login.